Hello, and welcome to a new semester, spring semester 2021 in Level 6 with me, Genevieve. This video is a video that you will see every day. I call it the daily instructional video. This video will walk you through what you have to do for the day. Every day, I will send a video on Remind, and it will also be posted in Schoology. So let's get started. Welcome to day one. This is our Schoology page. So when you scroll down, you will go to our first block of lessons for the spring semester. So you will click here, Welcome to Spring Semester Orientation. We will be in this folder for 2 weeks. And see, you have week 1, which is this week, February 8th through the 12th. You click here, and then you have the lessons for each day, Monday through Friday. Okay, and we're going to click on day 1, Monday, February 8th, the first day of our classes. The video will be posted here every single day, right here. So this video, you're watching it right here. Async, if you remember, are the assignments that you need to do by yourself. So these are what we would also call homework. So let's click on Async to see what you have to do for today. You have 3 activities. The first activity is the Level 6 introduction. So we would have gone over this in class today. In case you missed it, you can also go back and revisit it. Okay? And it's also on the main page of our class. Okay? All right. Our second async assignment, how to navigate Schoology on your phone. Okay. So Schoology is the learning platform where we do everything, assignments, lessons, quizzes, schedules, announcements, everything is here. Sometimes you want to check on your phone. So you have 2 options, how to navigate on an Android, how to navigate on an iPhone. These are both from the fall semester. So the pictures are different, but the content is the same. You still have to go through the same things to get to it. Okay? You still have to go through the same steps to navigate. And your third assignment is let me introduce a friend. So in class, you are going to, or you would have spoken to a classmate about a bucket list item. So here you're going to introduce your friend. All right. And you have an assignment. This is an assignment. So if you do it, you get 5 points. If you don't do it, you get 0 points. This is very, very important. So you will type here in the box. You don't need to say, hello, my name is. You just need to say, I am going to introduce my new classmate, Jael. She has a few things on her bucket list. One of them is to go skydiving. And that's it. You don't have to put a lot of information about your friend. You can if you want, if you remember some things like where they're from, you can do that too. But you're just going to introduce your friend and not yourself. And then you click post. Please check for spelling and grammar. And then you click post. All right. Now I'm going to explain these checks. So you have to, in order to go to the next activity, you must do the first one. All right. So you can't just skip around. You have to do the activities in order. All right. And that's it for async work. It is our first day, so we're going to have class together, which is sync on Zoom. So we have a few things to do on Zoom. We're going to look at and discuss the slideshow, the presentation, and you'll learn more about me. And we'll do a community building activity, getting to know one another with the bucket list. And then we're going to take a tour of Schoology so I can show you how you can find different things in the student view. Okay? And that's it for our first day of classes. Remember, you will watch a video similar to this every single day. Okay? The video explains everything, but of course, you are more than welcome to text me or call me or email me if you have any questions. Have a great first day. Good luck.